Hello and welcome. I'm Mr. Paul and you are watching Easy Talk. The controversy is happening in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, that is one nation, one election. BJP and his allies, they are strongly want to implement it one nation, one poll. But Congress and his allies, they are opposed.
दिन मत विभाजन परिणाम पक्ष में हाँ में 269, विपक्ष में 198। बहुमत के पक्ष में मतदान हुआ। बहुमत प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में हाँ। माननीय मंत्री जी, अब विधेयक को पुनः स्थापित करें।
Honorable Speaker Sir, with your permission, the Constitution's 129th Amendment Bill 2024, I introduce the bill.
विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में मंत्री जी विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करें।
So, actually, what is one nation, one poll, or what is one nation, one election? One is actually in India, when India was independent from that time, means 1951, here one nation, one poll had implemented. Until it happened in 1967. But after that, there have some reason like some regional parties, their breakdown, their coalition are gone through and they are destroyed and they not completed their 5 years term. In this context, the one nation, one election transform it to one nation, many election. So in this context, it haphazardly happened in India election from 1967 to till now. And when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister of India, that time he was raised a concern to one nation, many election and try to implement India one nation, one election, but not overcome to the bill. And after Modi got Prime Minister, he also spoke out, raised many times that India need one nation, one election for the reason of highly expenditure and highly time consumed. But from 2014 it was raised and present time now it highly strongly want to implement in BJP and many discussion and many controversy are raised in Sangsad as well as in media. But there have some good thing or also bad thing. Actually, BJP spoke out that one nation, if one nation, one election will be implemented in India, therefore time consumed are being decreased as well as money consumed are being decreased. And apart from that, where election will be happened, they are deployed the model code of conduct. So that time every government development work would be stopped. So in India every year there have some election. It can be the central election or it can be state election, but every year there have some election. Recently happened in Maharashtra state election. Before that it happened Haryana state election. Before that it happened Jammu and Kashmir state election. So all a continuing happen in election. And every state when election happened, their model code of conduct implemented, and also here every political leader, every political party, every minister, as well as prime minister also involved there. So they stopped doing the development work, or actually they work which they have to done it is unsuccessful or it is incomplete. So, in this context, one nation, one election must be implemented, and as well here, the people also involved. They are refrain from their business, refrain from their job, lack of times. They are involved in the vote festival. In this context, in India, one nation, one election must be implemented. In first world country like Europe, America, here one nation, one election are continuing for a long time. But the opposition, mainly Congress, it oppose and his allies also oppose that. They are strongly allegation is that is it's not only one nation, one election, but also one nation, one election and one leader. And Modi want to one leader perception, and it's a dictatorship, would be dictatorship India. And the regional political party are going to be demolished according to Congress, and they have not done in there have the overwhelming to regional interest. Their regional interest are not be implemented here. The broadly जो interest ए रीजनल इंटरेस्ट का विलुप्त कर देगा, ये कांग्रेस का कहना है. So, and actually, regional political party they are fear from this because their existence are being questioned. Because when one nation one election are happened here, the regional party they have not that much power, they have not that much money. Here union political party and जो big political party are mostly their interest are going through across the India. So regional जो interest है वो विलुप्त हो जाएगा, यह कांग्रेस का कहना है. But I think one nation, one election in India must be should have to need to India one nation, one poll, because here time consume happened, here happened money consume, here government they work for long time, they work development work, there have not model code of conduct, there have not stopped the government project, and young people they are long march work and they refrain from पॉलिटिक्स एंड जो पॉलिटिकल जो बिजनेस है मेनी पीपल जिसका जो बोलता है कि ये मेरा पॉलिटिकल बिजनेस है, ये भी विलुप्त हो जाएगा इफ वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन हैपेंड implement in India.